Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can turn off social graph on Truecaller. So let's get started. Firstly, open Truecaller app in your device. Then tap on calls. After that, tap on three dots icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on privacy center. Next, you can see the option of social graph. Turn off it by tapping on it. So this is how you can turn off social graph on Truecaller. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.